Hi neighbors, I'm excited to announce that I'm participating in a brand new BookTube event this May called The Sound of May, hosted by Caden Conley and Steve Donogohue. As many of you know, I'm a massive music fan. My playlist is a bit of a whirlwind. I'll go from bluegrass to bossa nova in a single afternoon. And that love of variety definitely carries over into my reading life. This particular event is all about celebrating literature dedicated to music, whether it's a deep dive biography, a memoir from a legendary performer, or even fiction where music is the heartbeat of the story. It all counts. My take on The Sound of May celebrates books that echo music in title, in theme, or in rhythm. Caden mentioned his favorite book, Body and Soul, in his announcement video, and Steve said that he's planning to trek through the Music Lover's Handbook. For me, this is the perfect excuse to lean into my recent interest with nonfiction books about singers and musicians. I already have a few music-related books on hold on the Libby app through my local library. Hopefully, some of these books will fall into my inbox during the month of May. Now, if you saw Caden's announcement video, you might have noticed a specific book in his thumbnail, Respect the Life of Aretha Franklin by David Ritz. I actually own that book, but in true BookTube fashion, I currently have no idea where it is. It's somewhere. I saw it about 2 or 3 months ago, and I think I must have packed it away or stashed it away like a squirrel with some other books. But at any rate, I'm going to pretend like it's playing hide and seek and try and find it before the end of May. Hopefully, Aretha will resurface in time for this reading challenge. But if not, I'll just add her to my summer reading list. At any rate, I will be back soon with a TBR video to show you what I will be potentially listening to and reading all month long during May. Are you planning on joining in the reading challenge? Let me know in the comment what music books have been on your radar lately. I am looking forward to seeing what everyone picks for The Sound of May. Happy reading, and I'll see you in the next video.